Hey guys, it's Anna B, and in quarantine I learned how to make these two super cute friendship bracelets, and I'm going to share them with you, and they're super fun and easy to make. What you're going to need is a ruler, scissors, tape, and embroidery floss or any kind of thread. So you're going to start off by measuring out about 40 inches of the embroidery floss or thread, and do the same with the other two colors. Then you're going to match up the two ends and pull down until you get a loop. From here, you're going to switch the loop to your other hand and flip over all of the thread, and then with your left hand, pull the original loop through to create a knot. Tape this down and section off the thread like so to where it's a mirror image of each other. Then bring one yellow over to the other side and the other yellow over to the other side. Do this for every color in a repeating pattern. In order to make the bracelet nice and tight, make sure you pick it up with your fingers and hold it really closely to the top. Then continue to do the same pattern. Once you have it to your desired length, you're going to combine the two bottom strands and make a knot to secure the bracelet. Then section the thread by color to where you have 3 strands of thread. After you've done this, proceed to braid the bracelet. If you don't know how to braid, what you do is you find the strand that's alone. In this case, it's the green strand. Then you bring that strand to the middle. Now you can see the pink strand is the one that's not crossed over any other strand, so it's the lone strand, and you bring it to the middle. Make a knot and you're done. The setup is the same for the next bracelet, except this time you're going to separate them by color and combine the two colors you're not using into your palm, and then make a 4 or L shape with the color you are using and bring it under the other two colors, pull it through, and tighten like a knot. To switch colors, you're going to do the same thing and separate all 3 colors and then combine the two you don't want to use and put it into your palm, and then use the one you do want to use and make a 4, bring it under, through, and knot. Once you have it to your desired length, tie a knot and braid it down like we did in the previous bracelet. Then tape down the side we just braided and cut the loop in half, and then proceed to braid this and knot it. Here's the finished bracelet. I hope you'll have fun and try to come up with more ideas.